Today we're working on page 13, which is exciting. Would've, could've, should've. I'm trying to still decide if I want like a ghost, a broken heart, a tomb, like things that go with it, maybe a weapon. So I'm still thinking about those side parts, but I think I'm getting closer to what I want for the letters. See, this one is like dividing up the letters, which is more realistic probably because you're not gonna find a piece of glass that's like a U shape like that if you were actually making stained glass. So while this is more realistic, I feel like it's a little bit harder to read, and I'm still gonna put more lines and stuff in here, like, but not in the letters, like around the letters. So hopefully the letters will stand out and make it easier to read. And then I'm gonna work on something for the sides that kind of goes once I decide what I want. So the thing with this stained glass that I'm realizing, and I've been thinking about a lot, is how much problem solving goes into something like this. Like, you think of the idea, I'm like, okay, it's gonna be stained glass, you know, simple. But then you have to think about, you know, is it easy to read? Is it easy to color? Which is another thing that I have to think about a lot with my work. Is it taking up too much space? Is there enough room to write because this is a writing exercise? So you have to really think about all this stuff, and you're doing a lot of problem solving while you're working. And sometimes you have to do things like, in this case, where it's not as realistic, but it's going to be easier for people to read and use, which I think is important. Because I want it to look good, but also I want it to, you know, be able to be read easily.